Hey guys! For today's video ay gagawa tayo ng isang science project at ang topic natin ay magnetism.
Magnetism, the force exerted by magnets when they attract or repel each other. Magnetism is caused by motion of electric charges. Every substance is made up of tiny units called atoms. Each atom has electrons, particles that carry electric charges. Spinning like tops, the electrons circle the nucleus or core of an atom. Their movement generates electric current and causes its electron to act like a microscopic magnet. And most substances, equal numbers of electrons, spin in opposite directions which cancels out their magnetism. That is why materials such as cloth or paper are said to be weakly magnetic. And substances such as iron, cobalt, and nickel, most of the electrons spin in the same direction. This makes the atoms in the substances strongly magnetic, but they are not yet magnets. To become magnetized, another strongly magnetic substance must enter the magnetic field of an existing magnet. The magnetic field is the area around a magnet that has magnetic force. All magnets have north and south poles. Opposite poles are attracted to each other, while the same poles repel each other. When you rub a piece of iron along magnet, the north-seeking poles of atoms in the iron line up in the same direction. The force generated by the aligned atoms creates a magnetic field. The piece of iron has become a magnet. Some substances can be magnetized by an electric current. When electricity runs through a coil of wire, it produces a magnetic field.
We use epoxy because of its toughness and strong adhesion that can resist magnetic force. The prototype was designed powered by 9 volts battery and 12 volts adapter. Armature is a rotating part of electric machine which consists essentially of coils of wire around the metal core, and in which electric current is induced, or in which the input current interacts with magnetic field to produce torque. The more wire loop, the smoother rotation.
So ayan guys, tapos na ang ating prototype electric motor. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Boy Inventor TV.